Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by exposing the mechanism. Remove the screws on the interior faceplate so you can see the latch and cylinder. Once done, slide out the trim gently and set screws in order. You do this to avoid stripping or losing parts and to identify if the problem is the cylinder, tumbler, or latch. Make sure to test the bolt movement by hand before proceeding so you know whether to replace the cylinder or just clean and lubricate. You now remove the retaining screw and withdraw the cylinder. If it resists, jiggle the key slightly while pulling to align pins. Once the core is out, inspect pins and springs for burrs or corrosion and check the cam for cracks. Clean debris with a small brush and compressed air, then apply a light graphite or silicone lubricant to moving parts. Avoid oil which attracts grit. If pins are damaged or missing, replace the cylinder assembly. You finish by sliding the cylinder back in, aligning the tailpiece with the cam, and tightening the retaining screw without over-torquing. Once reassembled, test the key through 5 to 10 cycles to seat pins and verify smooth action. If the bolt binds, loosen screws and adjust alignment with the strike plate. One key troubleshooting tip: if the lock still sticks, swap in a known good cylinder to confirm whether the problem is the core.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.